Good morning, this is Conaman Studios. Coming live from inside my car. No Memorex here. I had a problem with my door controllers for my car. It's hard to see. Let me angle it. The screw holes. It's hard to see the other side. Over time, the pushing on it, the push the buttons, they broke. So I'm going to cut these flush, drill a hole through it, through the surface, put a screw all the way through, and with some washers to hope it stays there. Good. If you see what's inside, it's hard to see exactly, but this thing's only held with two, like, probably 10 millimeter or 440 size, whatever the metric closeness is, because this is a Nissan. This is my work beater truck. So I'm going to try to unleash the latch what holds it to the lights, and cut the mounts. If you watch these two, let's see if we get a light on here. You see the other two screws there? It's hard to see right there. Oh, we almost had it. There's a screw where it goes into plastic, so the lights, I don't think I use that much anyway, so compared to the open and door close for the kids. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. I just cut these mounts, the holes. I use my 12 volt Milwaukee hacksaw. Cuts plastic okay. Now I'm going to use my drill driver and drill holes through. Alright, I'll give it back. Hey guys, I bought some quarter 20s, I mean not quarter 20s, 632 screws for this job. I made them long because I wasn't sure of what I needed. There's some washers I bought. And I'm going to cut it with these wire strippers I bought. They got all different size cutters from, I gotta see this, guys, 440, 632s, 832s, 1032s, and 1024s right there. When you use these screws, cutters, don't forget to go on the threaded side. Don't go the back way on the cutter side, because your threads won't be threading. You'll have a messed up thread there. At least when you take it out the right way, your threads will be useful for you. Alright, I gotta cut these and I'll get back to you. Well, I drilled my holes. Now I'm getting ready to cut this. What I did was put my screw in here and screw it in with my drill so it's threaded. End of here. Sorry, the light's so bad inside the car. So the plastic's threaded, so it just gives it a little bit more security when I get going. I gotta get a marker now, mark where I want it. Then I'm gonna put my washers on the face and washers on the back and screw it up. Yeah, I can screw up a lot of stuff. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back again. I got it installed. It go like that. See what I did? I put the two washers on the side, screwed it in with the with the screw wrench. Put my washer on, and then my nut. And I'm going to do the installation where it goes like this and here, and I'll be done. You guys take care. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on whatever one we catch you on. All right, see ya.